saw a big old fat log come out. My car, gone. Could have been up there, but I decided to be hard-headed. And now that poor car is holding on by a thread. I called the emergency. They said they're going to be on their way, but I don't know how many people are probably already calling them. I probably should have left. I should have listened to everybody. But did I? No, because I'm hard-headed, so.
The wipers are on.
What?
The wipers on that U-Haul are on.
Oh, I hope so. I wonder if somebody's... Why would there fucking be wipers on?